First, we have an update on the spread of the deadly coronavirus. The World Health Organization declared the outbreak an international public health emergency.
Dr. Acton just signed a stay-at-home order for all Ohioans.
This is the new normal. We're getting used to kicking ourselves out. This is your dance space. This is my dance space.
Leaving home for essential activities is permitted for health and safety, for necessary supplies and services, for outdoor activity. Take a walk.
With this stay-at-home order still in effect, the only shows people can enjoy are on their TV screen. For local theater companies, that's been a hard reality to get used to.
The shows cannot go on in the Valley as COVID-19 has forced local theaters to lock their doors and cancel shows indefinitely.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Candy Cleland. I'm the resident artistic director / managing director of Stage Left Players, a nonprofit community theater that has a home at the Trinity Playhouse, which is currently closed because of the pandemic. I just started, I guess, thinking, trying to figure out a way we could still connect in that online Zoom world that was becoming the mode of communication. And I became determined that we could somehow make that play happen from homes all over Columbiana County, and it ended up beyond.
Be ready, go.
But I can make a mean batch of sweet potatoes.
Hey fellers, take a look.
Why, it's Cookie, the cook.
And he's reading a book.
We had scheduled Zoom rehearsals. Kids were required to quickly learn their lines, know them for rehearsal, and then we would work on those Zoom recordings for some of the scenes. Everybody had 4, sometimes more than that, pieces of that neon green poster board, put it behind them, tried to show them how to angle the light above and toward the front of them, and teach them how to put themselves in that frame the way it needed to be. Then what we had to teach them to do was to take a secondary device like a phone and plug into that, listen with an earpiece to the music, and then sing the songs that Jodine had taught them, and do that choreography that Candy had taught them in the rectangle. Then the parents had to work on, or kids, some of the kids did this themselves, taking those film clips and then uploading them to a specific folder in a Google Drive. Then we had to take all of those files. I can't even imagine. We had a cast of like 26, and they all had, I don't know, 10 to 20 files. And then we had to organize those. And then God bless my son-in-law, Will Flanagan, who foolishly had agreed to help edit and ended up doing the entire thing. So to all of the kids and parents and grandparents, siblings, whoever decided to take this roller coaster ride with me, this little leap of faith, I am so grateful. I mean, what a ride it has been. None of us knew what we were getting into, but we knew we wanted something creative, something to keep engaged in the arts. And I just thank all of you for entrusting me, entrusting Jodine to create an online experience that would become, we hope, meaningful like our in-theater experiences.